Hello guys, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. So it's 11:15 in the morning. I just arrived from downtown. So umuwi ako dito sa Bukid kasi I'm going to study later. Mayroon akong pag-aaralan and I have to because I will be having my examination um, in the soonest possible time. Mag-exam ako. Meron na naman ako exam. So, without further ado, alam niyo naman kung bakit ako video, di ba? So, this is an unboxing or unwrapping video again because I need to document everything because in order ko to online. So, I have many parcels pero dalawa lang muna yung bubuksan ko at this point and then later on na naman yung iba isa-separate natin na video. So, this one, I got this from Meow Meow, Meow Meow House. So, ito yun siya. That's the code. And let's open. I'm so sorry if you can see my room. Very messy. I don't have time as of this time para maglinis ng aking room. Oo, kasi sobrang busy ko sa work and I have to, you know, accomplish many tasks. So, yun. Sana hindi ito nasira. I really love this one. You know, maraming beses kong pinag-isipan bago to bilhin. So, tingnan nyo yung box niya. It's open. Okay? Hindi siya nakaseal. So, this is an astronaut Starry Sky projector. Nakabaliktad kasi naka-ano tayo naka front view camera. So, let's open. I just hope na hindi siya nabasag. So, this is what it looks like inside. It comes with the paa. Ito yung paa niya. Docking pad. Basta tayuan niya. The user manual. This one. And then the projector itself. I thought it's heavy. It's not heavy. This is the one. Yan siya. So, umiikot yung ulo. See? It's like that. And then, let me just peel this one off. Here you go. And then, meron siyang mga gasgas. See? As you can see, meron siyang mga gasgas. See? That's the one. So, nakikita ninyo yung arrangement ng aking curtain. See? I'm so sorry for that. And then, ilalagay mo siya dito sa docking, ano niya. Yan. So, tumatayo siya, guys. This one. I really love this. Sa totoo lang. Matagal ko na tong gustong bilhin, but it's a bit expensive. It's 1,000, I think. And, meron kasi ako nakikitang bad reviews about this one. It comes also with a remote control without a battery. Thank you so much. So, walang battery. It's AAA, so wala naman kaming AAA dito. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami maghahanap. Ang meron lang kami dyan ay AA. But I will try it later on. Okay. I think you can manipulate it here kahit walang battery. Yeah, kahit walang remote. You can manipulate it here sa likod. So, it comes with this. I think this one is the charger. Oh, dalawa. Dalawang charger. Okay. So, let me just check if this one is pre-charged. Oh, no, it's not. But, it's not rechargeable. It's not rechargeable. So, you have to plug it in. Like that. And then, you have to connect it. So, meron akong saksakan dito. Medyo malapit. So, I'll just grab the, anong tawag nito? The adapter. Kukunin ko muna tong adapter ng aking, dito. Adapter ng pusa. Yung kanilang inuman. So, Nagagalit na naman sila mama. Puro na naman ako disaksak. So, isasaksak ko dito so that you can see. Ayan. Can you see me, guys? Let me just put it here. Yeah. Then I'll move the camera. Kasi I hate editing eh. Naiinis ako mag-edit. Tinatamad ako mag-edit. So, it's like this. And then when you open... Oops! Sorry, nahulog. Open natin. It's not working. Ah, there. It's working. So, it's like that. Oh, it's so cute. Tignan nyo ha. I-ano natin yun. Let's put off the light. Para makita nyo. Okay. Yan. And then, let's close the curtain. Or, yeah, let's close the curtain. Just a little bit para makita ninyo kung ano yung itsura niya. So, this is how it looks like. Oh, it's so nice. See? Like, siguro, when it's nighttime, maganda siyang tingnan. See? Nag-ano, nag-iiba-iba siya. Oh my god. It's really working nice. Oh, ganda-ganda. Baka mabaliw na naman yung mga pusa ko nito. Kasi, you know, cats. Okay. You can adjust it. Ayan. So, meron siyang nebula. Diba nag-iiba-iba siya? Ang ganda. It's so cool. Like, oh my god. So, ilalagay ko to dito sa baba ng room ko because marami akong sockets dito. So, ilalagay ko siya dito and then ipoproject ko siya pa ganun pataas para magandang tingnan. Di ba? Bonggang bongbong. Di ba? So nice. See? So, it's working. Let's remove it from the pagkakasaksak. Okay. Sorry ha, kung ginanon ko yung light ko kasi ang light ko is anong tawag nito? Anong tawag sa light na yan? Yung tatlo ang kulay. Yeah, let's open. So, this is how it looks like again. It comes with a remote, yung docking pad niya, and then this one, the cord, pang charge. So, it comes with two charging cables. So, secure ko lang siya kasi natutumba siya. Sabi nila, it's heavy. It's not heavy. Pero, since yung holder niya is, tawag nito, yung very, very light, may tendency talaga na matutumba ito because, as you can see, the head is so huge. Malaki. The head is so big like Humpty Dumpty. Tingnan nyo, malaki. So, yan. Ayan siya. It's so nice, so cute. Hindi ako nagsisi na binili ko yan. Ko yan siya nalagay ko yan siya sa aking, how do you call this one? Sa basket ko. Add to cart ko siya. Ang tagal na. As in. And this one, ito yung order ni Ma'am Lorraine and sa kanyang pinsan. Okay. Ayan siya. So, let me open this one. Meron na akong ganito actually. But, since they wanted to, yung gitara tong mga kaibigan ko eh. So, sabi na, ang ganda. I wanted one as well. So, itong ginawa ko, I bought two. Tigda-dalawa sila. So, this is kung nakita nyo na tong video na to before, this is a magnetic lamp. Yan siya. I-open natin. Yan siya. Let's just make sure that all of this stuff or this LED magnetic dormitory lamp is working fine. So, let me open this one. It all comes with accessories. Meron siyang yung charger and all. See this one, the USB type the USB type charger. Tinan nyo, napindot ko na siya. It's very sensitive. It's working. 1, 2, 3. So, tatlo. It's working. Oops. Sorry. Napaka-sensitive niya. So, ganyan. So, it's working. This one is working. Let's put this one back. One down. And then, another one is here. This one. Let's just try everything. Para, at least, subok natin. See, it's working. Right? You've seen it, guys. Okay, it's working. Okay, let's close. Alam niyo, madali lang siyang malaman kung yan yung point kung saan mo siya pipindutin because meron siyang nakalagay na parang bilog. I don't know if you can see it. Basta yung parang on button, ganun. Itatouch mo lang siya and then it's very sensitive. So, napakaganda niyang gamitin. This is the third one. I bought 5. Tigda dalawa sila and akin yung isa. So, we will just divide this one into 5 kung ano man yung price niya. And then, yun na yung babayaran nila sa akin. Ako kasi guys, even if I order 1, 2, 3. Okay. Even if I order for someone, hindi ako nagpapatong. Dinidivide ko lang yan kung magkano. Kasi, I know, businessman ako. Nagbe-business ako. But, since this one is ipasuyo, hindi ko siya pinapatungan. Masama naman yun. Ang sama naman ng ugali ko kung mag-aano pa ako, diba? Magpapatong pa ako. And, you know, we're friends. Okay. Sa akin na lang siguro ito. Kasi, na ano ko na siya. Akin na lang to kasi hindi ko naayos ng maigi. So, this one goes here. This side. Because this is mine. Then, meron pa tayong dalawa. We will try to open everything so that malaman natin if all of this stuff are functioning. So, see, it's functioning. 1, 2, 3. It's functioning. Okay. Let me put this one, or let me close this one, and then another one. So, kung napansin ninyo, ang inopen ko ngayon, puro umiilaw. Yan siya. So, sana dalawa na lang pala yung binili ko na Nebula. This one, yung projector. It's working. Okay? You can see it. Kasi, one of the main reason why I bought this one, yung ilaw talaga, that's for emergency purpose. Alam niyo naman dito sa sa Davao City, rotational ang brownout. So kailangan namin ng maraming emergency light. My dad and my mom, bumili ako ng ang iingay ng mga bata. Diyos ko, Lord, please stop them. Ayun, binilhan ko sila mama at si daddy ng tigi-isa nilang flashlight. It's an emergency light na sobrang lakas, as in tigi-isa talaga sila. And binili ko yun siya sa sa Ace Hardware. It's very expensive. Pero it's worth the buy naman kasi sobrang lakas and dalawa yung niya eh. Isang pa ganon, pa flash tapos isa siyang meron siya sa side. So sobrang lakas nung nung flashlight na yun. Oo, tig-isa sila para walang walang hiraman and walang reklamuhan. Pag nasira, kung nasira nila, then it's their fault. Oo. So yun. Actually, akin dapat yun. Kaso inuwi ko na dito and then I gave it to them. And bumili ako ng isa pa para tig-isa talaga sila. So this one, if meron akong money ulit, I'll buy additional one. Pero I don't know if I will buy the same. Maganda siya, kaya lang medyo medyo na-off lang ako because yung ulo niya maraming scratches. And ayun. Kasi ako medyo maarte ako when it comes to things. Gusto ko na maayos. But it's okay. As long as it's working and tawag nito, hindi siya basag. Oo, kasi mas okay na merong konting gas-gas kaysa nabasag naman yung ulo niya, di ba? Kawawa naman. So ayun guys, yun lang sa na to, sa unwrapping, unboxing na to. Later on, I'll shoot another one for the other parcels that arrived. Stay tuned, guys. Love you all. Please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, ha? Bye-bye.